Those who supply goods and services to the national and county governments, as well as large corporations, have been pushed to the brink as the institutions delay payments. This has forced some to close shop, while others have had to pay hefty fines to financiers due to late loan payments. To caution small and medium enterprises from such challenges due to late payments, the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry is working with the Ministry of Trade in drafting a policy that will regulate payment to suppliers.
We are also going to be advocating for legislation to tackle the whole issue of late payments. If the government is late, then they need to pay a penalty like any other borrower. If it is a large corporate that is late, then they too should be penalized accordingly. And I think similarly this should be passed on to the credit regime so people don't lose their credit standing simply because they were a victim of a late payer.
Kiprono proposed that the national government and counties, as well as financial institutions, to set up a fund from which SMEs with pending payments from suppliers can access cash.
We think that there's a very bad payment culture in this country right now. The national government, big corporates like Nakumatt and the rest have been really holding a lot of money that belong to the SME sector. And this has had a knock-on effect of slowing down the circulation of cash in the economy. So we have been appealing to the government that if they can release the large amount of money that they're holding that belongs to the business community, if something can be done to also provide a safety net fund to cushion these small businesses from the prolonged delays.
Financial service institutions were encouraged to consider offering professional mentorship services for SMEs on top of the credit they advance to small businesses.
Traditionally, banks have looked at just offering cash, but today we are able to offer non-funded instruments like guarantees, bid bonds, performance guarantees, advance payment guarantees that not necessarily involve actual cash. And therefore, in that way, we were able to save SMEs from a lot of interest expense.